तो फिर निखिल कैसा लग रहा है? यू आर सिटिंग इन बार्सिलोना.
This is Plaza España.
They have kept the city so damn neat and clean. It's like prawns. So guys, our trip to Bombay has started. We are on the way. What's up, bro? What seems? Yeah, I'm talking to you, man. It's the last post. After that, we're clear to qualify. They qualify. They're approved or you're denied?
Denied.
What do you think? They'll deny you or they'll? Sure. ऐसा क्या करता है तू यार, तेरे को ये डिनाई करेंगे? जिंदगी में कुछ किए?
वीडियो बताओ
कौन सा वाला? Don't talk about those things. Guys, we've reached to Paris right now. We're in the Paris. यहाँ से हमारी connecting flight है, which is straight to Barcelona. Now we are finding our way कि हमें कहाँ से board करना है अपनी flight towards Barcelona. Guys, थोड़ा सा सीन हो गया हमारे साथ. एयर फ्रांस से कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट थी हमारी. एयर फ्रांस ने हमें पेरिस में तो छोड़ दिया, बट they have given us a time for 1 hour to change the flight and the immigration process was very long. काफ़ी लंबा immigration process था. अब सीन ऐसा है कि बोर्डिंग क्लोज़ होने का मैसेज तो आ चुका है और अब हम भाग रहे हैं अपनी फ़्लाइट की ओर जो बार्सिलोना लेके जाएगी. चेक इन वगैरह सब कुछ हो चुका है. जस्ट होप दैट वी मेक इट ऑन टाइम, बिकॉज इफ वी आर नॉट, मेरा लगेज बार्सिलोना में घूम रहा होगा और मैं यहाँ पे रहूँगा. We got a rush, baby. तो भाई अभी हम कैसे तो कैसे करके बैठ गए बस में और कैसे तो करके हमने कन्विंस कर लिया एयर फ्रांस वालों के कि हमको बिठा दे, बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट आवर फॉल्ट. हमने अपनी तरफ से तो टाइम पे ही था यार. दैट गिवन अस 1 घंटे का बफर दिया था टू चेंज द टर्मिनल वगैरह वगैरह सब कुछ करके, बट दैट्स नॉट इनफ. 40-45 मिनट का तो आराम से इमिग्रेशन का प्रोसेस है. आज हमारा इंडियन पासपोर्ट नहीं, इंडियन स्किल्स काम में आ गए लाइन तोड़ के. काफ़ी लोग मिले, दे वर आस्किंग लाइक यू कांट डू दैट, बट फाइनली आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग जर्नी हम लोग बार्सिलोना में लैंड हो चुके हैं और हमारी ट्रिप ऑफिशियली स्टार्ट होती है. वेकेशन कैब्स के लिए यहाँ पे लाइन लगी हुई है. एवरीवन इज स्टैंडिंग इन द लाइन टू गो इनटू द कैब्स. और लाइन जो है वो बहुत लंबी है, ट्रस्ट मी, बहुत लंबी है. एंड नो वन इज़ ब्रेकिंग द लाइन हेयर. चाहे जिसको कितनी मर्जी भी जल्दी हो, कोई ब्रेक नहीं कर रहा लाइन. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ व्हाट आई लाइक. एंड द लाइन इज़ ऑल्सो मूविंग वेरी फास्ट. तो एंड कैब्स आर ऑल्सो सिस्टमैटिकली स्टैंडिंग. कोई किसी को ओवरलैप नहीं कर रहा है, कोई आगे नहीं निकल रहा है. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट. एंड हियर वी आर. भाइयों यहाँ पे सिस्टमैटिक वे में सब कुछ हो रहा है. कैन यू सी दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ इन द सिस्टमैटिक वे. तो गाइस हम निकल गए एयरपोर्ट से. अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने होटल की ओर. तो फाइनली हम आ गए स्पेन में, बार्सिलोना में, जहाँ पे हमारे साथ हमारे लीड ड्राइवर है, शी इज हेल्पिंग अस. और ये हमारा भाई पीछे यहाँ पे बैठा है. सिटी बहुत प्यारी लग रही है यार, बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन है. एवरीथिंग इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आउट हियर.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Welcome.
David. So guys, अभी we have just checked into our hotel, into our room. अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी है, अच्छी जगह पे. Now we have come out to eat. We are very hungry right now. It's 2 o'clock here. 12 घंटे की जर्नी थी अपनी and we're loving it here. काफ़ी बढ़िया है. The city is very beautiful. It's very clean, neat, and यहाँ पे trust me, there are a lot of foreigners also out here और काफ़ी peaceful जगह है. Now we are in search of good food. कुछ खाना खा लेते हैं, energy वापस आ जाएगी and then we'll figure out what to do. There are a couple of things into our itinerary जो आज हमको cover करनी है, which we'll be doing. Hi guys, तो currently we are at a restaurant. यहाँ पे हम खाना खा रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छी जगह है यार, मतलब है. और जैसे मैंने इमली इन पेरिस में देखा था ना, वो ऐसे साइड पे बैठ के खाते थे, वैसे ही सेम चीज़ें. So I like the concept, I like the culture. We have ordered the food. Let's hope the खाने का क्वालिटी इज़ गुड एंड लेट्स होप कि मुझे पसंद आए खाना, बिकॉज भूख बहुत लगी है. और अगर खाना अच्छा नहीं हुआ ना, देन इट विल बी वेरी अपसेटिंग. एंड वी आर सिटिंग ऑन द रोड साइड. आई विल शो यू गाइस कैसा है साइड में. लुक एट दैट. तो गाइस हमारा लंच वगैरह हो गया है. काफ़ी अच्छा लंच था. वी आर फुल, वी आर पैक्ड. अभी नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ हम वापस होटल जाएंगे. विल चेक देयर, विल स्टे देयर फॉर सम टाइम. थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप हो जाएंगे एंड देन विल टेक सम रेस्ट. और उसके बाद फिर हम निकलेंगे बार्सिलोना एक्सप्लोर करने. तो हम जहाँ रुके हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड एज रामलास. इट्स वन ऑफ द फेमस एरियाज़ इन बार्सिलोना. अगर आप यहाँ आ रहे हैं एज ए टूरिस्ट, आई रिकमेंड यू टू लिव हेयर ओनली बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स मोर हैपनिंग. अगर आप बार्सिलोना के थोड़ा आगे पीछे रह रहे हैं, या द प्लान इज़ टू गो बैक, गेट सम रेस्ट एंड देन लीव अगेन. अब हमारे पास आइटिनरी में देयर आर 2-3 थिंग्स विच वी हैव प्लान फॉर द डे. विल डू दोज थिंग्स एंड यस, विल हिट द रोड अगेन. सब गाइस, सो हमने खाना वाना खाने के बाद वी केम बैक टू आवर प्लेस. और यहाँ पे आके देन वी टुक ए नैप एंड देन वी गॉट फ्रेशन अप. नाउ इट्स 5 o'clock एंड वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि हम थोड़ा आगे पीछे घूमेंगे. We'll figure out. So we are living in the main city right now, in the main area right now, and many of our friends and even the hotel owner also suggested us कि go nearby only. आपके आगे पीछे the place where you're living, इसके आगे पीछे ही बहुत सारी जगह है, अच्छी जगह है, you'll have fun. So we have decided कि आज का दिन हम एरिया घूमेंगे थोड़ा सा. We'll check out some bars and all, and we'll see how it goes on. Hey buddy, what's up? What are you doing? मेल कर रहा है अभी? तू छुट्टी पे है? फिर क्या कर रहा है यार? इधर से काम कर रहा है. दिस इज नॉट फेयर मैन. आई लव द पेंटिंग, द हाउस. अच्छा, बाय द वे, आप लोगों को तो हाउस टूर नहीं दिया. लेट मी शो यू द हाउस टूर. द हाउस इज वेरी प्रिटी गुड. दिस इज आवर लिटिल छोटा सा किचन. So guys, अभी हम बार्सिलोना में निकल चुके हैं. Hi, what's up? So guys, we met Tanya. She is one of our friends and she is helping us to show around. और अभी हम बाहर रहे बार्सिलोना में. Look at that man, people are so fit out here यार. Look at that. Everyone fucking is running. Everyone is following the rules. Now you can't move, can't walk. You have to stand.
Are you okay?
Tanya, wait. Not telling me the stories also of these places. I don't know what are you saying.
Should be
Yeah, come with.
Yeah.
We'll go over there and then I'll tell you.
Okay.
So, this is Plaza España.
What
Okay.
this?
This entire circle, this entire,
Okay.
it's like a chalk, you know,
Okay.
chalk, right? There are a bunch of things. So it's called Plaza España because the palace is there between those two things, no, you can see. So we'll stand between that and take a photo. Do you guys want to
Okay.
do it now or later? Later it will get even more dark.
We can do it now. Yeah.
And then after that, we're going on that mall
Which mall? This
Yeah.
one.
to take photos. Come fast.
So we are going to the mall just to take the pictures.
No, to see the view.
To see the view. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So beautiful, man. I'll show you these things around. Oh yeah, so beautiful. I don't know how to define this, but very beautiful.
Plaza Spania, as you see here in front.
Yeah.
Now
Oh, that
it's-
one.
Yeah, it's not anymore a plaza. It's not anymore a palace. You can go. It's a museum now. MNAC. I've put it on the list.
So I would love to go.
Yeah, you can
So
go
it's
check
a
it out.
it's a museum.
now.
So what was it before?
It was a palace before.
Okay, okay. Oh, nice. So now what are we waiting for?
Yeah, so we're actually waiting. Can you see the roads on the road, the lines on the road?
Yeah,
So can you see the middle? There are like all these lines, right?
yeah.
So we're going to go in there and take a photo of the back. So I will stand and take a photo for you guys.
Okay, but
Okay.
then there are so many.
That's a bike lane, so no one
Okay.
actually comes there. So when it's green the next time,
Yeah.
then we can go over there and then we have some time to take some photos and all of that.
Oh, that's nice. So will.
A few moments later.
Not bad.
नहीं यार मैं नहीं अच्छा है यार.
तो इसके अकेले की ले ले.
See this one.
एक और लेते हैं ना, मैं अच्छे से पोज दूंगा.
Okay.
ना आई नो
अकेले
दैट.
लेना है?
नहीं अकेले नहीं, दोनों साथ में. हाँ चल अकेले भी ले सकता हूँ.
ले ले.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell us something. Why are we going up there?
We're going up there to see the view of
Okay.
Plaza España.
Uh-huh. And what is Pasta Estania
It's
or
called Plaza
Plaza
España.
España famous
I'll
for?
tell you guys when we reach the top so I can show you guys along with it.
Okay, perfect. Sounds great and exciting. It's just amazing here. The humankind ने बनाया है ये सब. Can you see how beautifully they have made it? Sorry, what are you guys saying?
Chalk.
Chalk?
You can see the entire chalk from here.
It's a chalk, okay, like that. Yeah, it's a chalk only. पूरा रॉयल की तरह ही बनाया है basically. When army comes in, you know, it's like there the king is sitting like that.
If you want, we can go stand there, but I don't think we can use that lift to be honest.
Ah, it's okay. Let's go there, no? Let's explore. Oh, nice.
It's not transparent, but
Yeah, no?
it's a mountain.
Okay.
That's Tibidabo.
One second. Can you point now and show me? Okay.
The red light,
Uh,
yeah, that's Tibidabo, so we can go there.
so that's a church, right?
Yeah, it's a church
Right
and there's
there.
an amusement park as well.
Okay. But Talia, tell me na, why you said no?
Not yet.
Not yet, but you will be.
100K plus. Like right now, I'm just 1K.
1K, so it's okay. It's the starting. I'm not even 1K. कुछ नहीं.
एक सब्सक्रिप्शन मेरा है और एक रोहन का होगा.
नहीं. Hey, hello. I have 26, 30, 40, 50 है subscribers.
So when you are having a very boring moment, boring life, you know what you should do? Escape.
What? Escape with Rishabh? That's right.
I'm following you. 23. I'm 23rd subscriber.
Oh, nice. Should I remember that?
Yeah. Tanya, I had you and I had 23 subscribers.
Tanya was my 23 back in the days. If the subscriber increased, then on.
Lots of walking.
Yeah,
There's
and then,
space to walk.
yeah. So whatever calories you're gaining, you're burning also at the same time.
So you know how in India, like alcohol is regulated?
Yeah.
And over here, tobacco is regulated. So you can only buy from these particular stores, tobacco. It says tobacco.
This one, okay.
Yeah.
But they have kept the city so damn neat and clean,
Yeah.
and everything is in a structured way. So they also follow the.
Barcelona is one of the very systematic cities.
No,
It's
tell you one
exotic
thing.
water.
They also follow the traffic light signal late in the night also.
Yeah.
1 o'clock.
Yeah,
If someone is walking, they'll stop.
Yeah,
If it's
yeah.
red.
It's pedestrians first. Like if you cross right now, all the cars will stop as well.
Okay, but the signals will turn red? No.
And over here in Spain, they don't call Spanish, they call it Castellano. That's like their own language, which is actually Spanish only.
Okay.
But mostly they say Spanish for
Uh-huh.
South Americans. But in Spain, if you speak this Spanish, if you speak the Spain Spanish, they call it Castellano.
Okay. Look at the octopus, guys.
And this,
Very tasty.
Mhm. Yeah,
and this is croquettes,
yeah. Okay.
ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love the vibe of the place, huh? What's that basmati rice one?
This is the basmati rice.
Oh, damn. Wow. And this is?
This is the
Iberian
ham ribs.
Iberian ribs.
Pork ribs, yeah.
Or pork ribs.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And this is chicken and the basmati rice.
Yeah.
Chicken अब वो अपना salmon खा रहा है.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. चल, let's start deep dive. Pie.
Banoffee pie. This is chocolate walnut. Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Blueberry.
Yeah. We are vlogging, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, YouTube.
You wanna say something?
Hey, boys.
Wait, what's the name of the channel?
It's called as Escape with Rishabh.
Whoa.
Escape
Escape.
with Rishabh.
Make a shop.
You guys are from where?
France.
From France? Oh, perfect. We were there in the morning. Paris.
Paris, really?
Yes.
You go to Paris?
Yeah, in the morning we were there.
Enjoy,
But
enjoy.
it was just the airport we were there. We didn't go out in the city.
Oh, you-
We'll go there. We have the plans to go there.
Where are you from?
From India.
Oh, which
Yes?
city?
Bombay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know-
Mumbai.
Yeah, I know, I know. You know Bangalore?
Bangalore, yeah, I know.
Maybe
You have been
I
there?
will go there.
Oh, nice.
No, I will go maybe.
You should go Goa as well.
Nice place. Nice place.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Really? Are you sure it's nice there?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Have fun.
You guys-
Cheers,
Okay.
cheers, cheers.